Everyone, first I would like to thank you our university and also the UMK to selected me as a part of this undergraduate inbound credit mobility program. First I would like to introduce myself P. Vamsi Krishna. Currently I am studying BSc Hons Agriculture final year and my university name is Angru, which is located at Guntur. My college name is Agricultural College Mahanandi and my mentor at UMK is Dr. Laila Nehar ma'am and also our field supervisor Shafika ma'am and Aniza ma'am. Arrival, we had our welcome ceremony in UMK Kellenton on 14th February, and from UMK we started to our respected universities on 15th February. We 10 students started to UPSI along with Dr. Faisal and reached the UPSI campus by evening. On 16th morning, we had a brief session on our projects and tasks for our 1 month training program by Shafika ma'am and Aniza ma'am. Here in this among the 10 members, these are divided into two groups. Each group consists of 5 members and these 5 members are under the supervision of field in charges. For plot A, the field in charge is Arif sir, and for plot B, the field in charge is Ajiji sir. And these are the locations of our training sites. Working at training sites, among the 10 members, each group is divided into 5 members. My group 5 members are Charishma, Sai Sruti, Pavani, Ushasri and myself. For our 5 members, first the work has been allotted at plot B. The main activity done at plot B is pergola landscaping. Plot B is headed by the field supervisor Aniza ma'am and field in charge Azizi sir. For the first half period, we have to work at plot B, and the remaining half period we have to work at plot A. And this is the training site. Pergola landscaping. What is meant by landscaping? Landscaping means changing a small portion of the land to improve its viability, value and aesthetic look. A pergola is an outdoor structure consisting of columns that supports a roofing grid of beams and rafters. The roofing grid may be left open or covered. A pergola is most commonly an outdoor garden featuring forming a shaded walkway, passageway or sitting area of vertical posts. Pergola landscaping. The materials required for pergola construction are cement posts, rods, light wires, stepping stones, mold and wooden sticks. The tools required for pergola construction are shovel, spade, trowel, wheelbarrow and spirit level. The process are the steps involved in preparation of landscape. First we have to select the site. For choosing the right location for the construction of pergola landscape and plan and design. Make an accurate plan and design considerations that meet our requirements. Dimensions. The dimensions required for the construction of pergola is 2 meters into 1.5 meters. Land preparation. Clearing of all the weeds, grass and bushes with the help of grass cutter, followed by leveling the land by using hand tools, namely spades and shovels. Set posts in concrete. Dig the holes about 1.5 feet for placing the cement concrete posts. Place the posts all 4 sides and embedded in concrete. Let the concrete harden for minimum of 2 days. Leveling of land. Level the land using the shovels and check for correct accuracy with the help of spirit level. Mark the rods for cutting. To keep the roof of the pergola even and level across the whole top side, we need to cut each rod exactly. Mark 2 rods for 80 and other 2 rods for 60. Cut the rods with cutter. Cutting of rods manually as per makings by using cutter. Attach the rods to the post. Place the rods on the post 4 sides and tie them using binding wires. Tie the wires to the rods. Tie the light wire to the rods by taking accurate measurements. It serves as the roof top side. Making of stepping stones. Make the stepping stones by using molds. Place the molds on the ground and fill with the cement mixture. Level it and check for accuracy and smoothen for the good appearance. Let stepping stones harden for some time. It depends on the weather conditions. Later remove the mold slowly. Designing stepping stones. Design the stepping stones as per our requirements like drawing, stone art, etc. The other activities done in plot B are weeding in nursery, watering to the plants, sowing of spinach seeds in nut trays, weeding in pergola, and clearing sunflower fields with the help of bush cutter, planting of Antigone and Leptopus species, digging holes for placing fertilizer and fertilizer application to coconut plants. Training site. For the first half period we have completed our training program in plot A, and the remaining half period we have to complete our training program in plot B. So the plot B is headed by Shafika ma'am and the in charge Arif sir. The main activity done at plot A is rock melon cultivation by using fertigation technology. The variety selected for rock melon cultivation is Sakata Glomer Melon F1 hybrid. The period of this variety is 90 days. Starting investment, seedling cost is 70 ringgits per 156 poly bags and cocoa pit 600 ringgits, and fertilizer cost 900 ringgits per season, and greenhouse cost is 15,000 ringgits. Piping system cost for one greenhouse is 600 ringgits. Harvesting indices are, by looking its physical structures, aroma and days, we can say that it is the time to harvest. And returns, estimated profit is 3,700 ringgits per one season, and approximately one melon cost can be per 1 kg 8 ringgits. Steps involved in cultivation of rock melon: site selection, selection of greenhouse for the cultivation of rock melon, land preparation. It includes clearing the site, weeding in greenhouse, filling of cocoa pit in grow bags, and fixing of pipes. Sowing of seeds: first the potters are filled with the peat moss and the seeds are sown in the potters, which are soaked in water for 45 minutes. Transplantation of seedlings: the seedlings are transplanted into grow bags after 10 days of sowing. Fertigation system: it is the technique of supplying dissolved fertilizer to crop through an irrigation system. Piping system: it involves following steps: fixing the lateral pipes, fixing the drippers to the laterals, and checking for any leakages in mains, laterals, drippers by giving irrigation. Mixing of fertilizers: first we have to select two fertilizer sets, set A and set B. Set A consists of NPK and iron chelates, whereas set B consists of micronutrients and NPK. The difference between NPK in two sets is the proportion. The two sets of fertilizers are dissolved in two separate 100-liter water tanks. The fertilizers is dissolved by continuous stirring. After dissolving, we have to cover the fertilizer mixture. Fertigation application: the mixed fertilizer solution is added to the main tanks for the fertigation process until the electrical conductivity of solution reaches 1.5 Simon per meter. If the EC range is lower than 1.5 Simon per meter, we have to add fertilizer solution to water for getting accurate value. After completion of the mixing process, we have to set the duration of fertilizer application for automatic mode. Daily it is given 4 intervals per minute per plant. The intake of plant will be 0.1 liter per minute. And other activities done at plot A are scraping of mushroom, fertilizer application to maize, sowing of corn seeds in seed trays, covering of seed bed with silver shine. And finally, I concluded through this 1 month I had learned new concepts like pergola landscaping and also how to use fertigation system. I had gained practical experience by doing these projects. Once again, I would like to thank each and everyone who guided us throughout this 1 month. Thank you.